Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to second PUC Statistics online classes. In the previous section we had discussed about definition of vital statistics, then methods of vital statistics, measures of population, fertility, fecundity and measures of fertility, and we also discussed about CBR. Okay, now let's see the second type of measures of fertility, that is general fertility rate. Okay, one of the drawback of CBR, now one of the drawback or limitation of CBR is CBR considered men and women population, and as we know that births are occurring to women of childbearing age. So in general fertility rate we are considering number of births and number of women population of childbearing age. So definition of general fertility rate is the average number of live births occurring to 1000 individuals. Yes, the average number of live births occurring to 1000 women of childbearing age in a year. Okay, see, the definition of general fertility rate is the average number of live births occurring to 1000 women of childbearing age in a year. Okay, to calculate GFR we using the formula, that is the number of live births during a year divided by average women population, average women of childbearing age in a year into 1000. See, here this is the first one, number of live births. As we know in the CBR also number of live births is denoted by B. So this is equal to B, the number of live births during a year, that is B. So here birth is there, B. So here B is the number of live births during a year. Okay, divided by C, here average number of women of childbearing age in a year, women population in the childbearing age. We know that childbearing age is between 15 to 49 years, and this is based on female population. So I will write sum of female population into 1000. So this is the formula to calculate GFR. So to calculate GFR, the formula is B divided by sum of, this is the childbearing age of women is 15 to 49 year into female population into 1000. Okay, this is the formula to calculate GFR. Now let's see the first problem, that is calculate general fertility rate. Here given informations: age, number of women, number of live births. As we know, general fertility rate is based on number of live births and number of women population. So here given informations also number of women and number of live births. We know the formula of GFR, that is GFR is equal to B divided by sum of female population. So here the age is 15 to 49 year into 1000. Okay, this is F in the sense female population, okay, into 1000. This is equal to, we need to calculate total of number of live births. Okay, we need to find total of live births. So here the first observation is 800 plus 2400 plus 1980 plus 1500 plus 390 plus 120 plus 10, that is 7200. Okay, next we need to calculate total number of women population or total number of female population. So here the first observation is 25,000. Before that, see the age group. Here age groups are given 15 to 49 years. So we have to consider the first observation to last observation, because here age group is 15 to 49 years. Okay, so this is childbearing age of women. Okay, so in the first observation, 25,000 plus 20,000 plus 18,000 plus 15,000 plus 12,000 plus 6,000 plus 4,000. Then total of this is 1 lakh. Similarly, here also before calculate total of this, we have to see the age group. Here the age group is 15 to 49. So we have to consider from here to here. We have to find the total of number of live births here to here, because this observation is lies between 15 to 19. Here 15 to 49 is age childbearing age of women. So we got the total of B and sum of female population. Now I will substitute under this. So here B, births are 7200 divided by sum of female population 15 to 49 years, that is 1 lakh into 1000. Okay, this is equal to, so here 0 get cancelled, then 7200 divided by 100, that is 72. So here general fertility rate is 72. Okay, in the first problem we got GFR is equal to 72. It means 72 births are occurring per 1000 women of childbearing age. Okay, now let's see the second problem, that is calculate CBR and GFR for the following data. Okay, here given informations: age, male population, female population and live births. Okay, now first we need to calculate CBR. We know the formula of CBR, that is CBR is equal to birth divided by population into number of live births divided by average population in a year into 1000. See here male population and female populations are given, so that I will write male population plus female population into 1000. Okay, now from this observation we need to calculate total of male population, total of female population and total of live births. Okay, now first I will calculate total of male population. So here first observation is 20,730 plus 7,366 plus 7,300 plus 6,030 plus 9,988 plus 7,400 plus 8,400. Then total is 67,206. Okay, this is total of male population. Okay, next we need to calculate total of female population. Here first observation 19,840 plus 7,310 plus 7,120 plus 5,860 plus 9,120 plus 6,910 plus 7,900. Then total is 64,060. Okay, next live birth. So here first observation is 0. Next is 212 plus 657 plus 592 plus 326 plus 81 plus 0, that is 1868. Okay, now I will substitute these values under this formula. So CBR is equal to birth, that is 1868 divided by male population, that is 67,206 plus female population, that is 64,060 into 1000. Okay, this is equal to CR 67,206 plus 64,060 is 1,31,266. So here 1,868 divided by 1,31,266 into 1000. Okay, this is equal to 1,868 divided by 1,31,266 is 0.01423 into 1000, that is 14.23. So here CBR is 14.23. Okay, next we need to calculate GFR. So we know the formula of GFR, that is number of live births divided by total number of women population of childbearing age. So here childbearing age is 15 to 49 year, then female population into 1000. Okay, now we already calculate, but see here we need the female population only, and the age group between 15 to 49 years. See here the years are given 0 to 50 and above, but we need only 50 to 49 years of female population. So 15 to 49 years of female population from here to here. Or we no need to calculate 0 to 49, 50 and above population, female populations. Okay, now I will find total of this, that is first observation 7,310 plus 7,120 plus 5,860 plus 9,120 plus 6,910, that is 36,320. Okay, that I will write here. GFR is equal to B. B is from here to here, that is 1,868 divided by, so here female population 36,320 into 1000. This is equal to 1,868 divided by 36,320, that is 0.051 into 1000, that is 51.43. So it means here GFR is equal to 51.43. So we can say it as 51 births per 1000 women of childbearing age. Okay, next let's see the third problem, that is calculate GFR for the following data. Okay, here given informations are age group, female population and live births. Here we need to calculate only GFR. Then formula of GFR is B divided by sum of 15 to 49 years female population into 1000. Okay, based on our formula we need to calculate total of live births and total of female population of 15 to 49 years. So here age groups are 15 to 49 years. So I will calculate female population total of female population, that is first observation 8000 plus 8240 plus 6500 plus 10,115 plus 38,065, that is 70,920. Then total of live births, that is 315 plus 700 plus 648 plus 212 plus 102, that is 1977. Now I will substitute these two values under this formula. So this is equal to B is 1977 divided by 70,920 into 1000. Okay, this is equal to 1977 divided by 70,920 into 1000, that is 27.86. Okay, here GFR is 27.86, in the sense 28 births per women of childbearing age. Yes, thank you for watching this video.